Hey guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to update your Mini Cooper or BMW CIC software for wireless devices. Currently I am running this version, which is not the most recent. Here I have a USB stick with the most recent update. I think it's something like 01008 or 18. That's on the stick. And now here's the tricky part. When I try to update it, it says software on USB device is not up to date. So I've been doing some searching on Google, and actually BMW forum told me that I should change my date to a time before 2024, like 2023. And then when I reinsert the USB stick, it should want to update. Still loading in. Start update. Okay. See, now it works. The only thing I did is changing the date to a time before 2024. It wasn't 2025 because I was messing around a bit with it before taking this video. So now it should update shortly. Forums told me that there was probably a built-in expiration date. The update has now been completed, and we are now running this version, which I think is the last version that has been released and will ever be released. So good luck with your updating. So regarding the use of actually updating your system, the one thing I noticed is that now it actually does show information about the songs that you stream through Spotify in my case. So that's just one change that I noticed.